let's begin with Briar Stewart in BC. After posting another, 538 new cases today, Briar officials seem to have brought in the toughest measures yet, right?
Yes, and BC's sweeping new measures will extend current restrictions and add new provincial health orders. And after weeks of mounting pressure, masks will now be mandatory in all indoor public spaces. Many business owners had been pleading for a mask order as some customers were still turning up without them.
If it's mandatory by BC, then we can strictly enforce the law and stop the person at the door.
Now they will be mandatory, and social gatherings will be restricted across the entire province.
But we need to take more action now.
The province has also ordered places of worship to no longer hold gatherings inside, except for weddings and funerals where there can be a maximum of 10. While there hasn't been any reported COVID cases at this synagogue, there have been at other religious gatherings.
They did say that the spread of the virus has become exponential, and they really need to get ahead of this before the hospital system is overwhelmed. And we're very on side with ensuring that safety is a priority.
The province is going to step up enforcement, including at pubs and restaurants, to make sure they're following the rules. But many fitness facilities remain closed. The province considers intense group activities like spin class high risk, so they will stay shuttered.
We are in our second surge.
Others may be able to reopen, but they need to submit a new safety plan, and they're still waiting for the guidelines.
Stretch is a business that employs 19 people. My partner and I, we've been working, without any wages, collecting our CERB, with the hope that in the future we'll have a business to come back to.
So Briar, curious about something. BC got a lot of praise for how it handled outbreaks in the long-term care homes back in the spring, but with the new outbreaks, what's happening on that front?
Well, Adrienne, that's a measure of particular concern because despite the measures that BC has already put in, there are nearly 60 outbreaks in healthcare settings, and dozens of those are in long-term care homes.
All right, Briar Stewart in Vancouver tonight. Thanks, Briar.